So hey, what's up guys, welcome to the brand new video on the channel. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can apply custom theme on your Gionee devices. So let me just go on the setting and show you my devices. And as you can see guys, it's my Gionee S6s and it's running on the Android Nougat. So yeah, what you need to do is to apply the custom theme on your Gionee devices, you need a download link and you need a zip file, and I will give that in the description box. So what you need to do is you just need to download that zip file from the description box, and as you can see in my download, yeah, here is Gionee themes by Bishal Katel. So you just need to extract this file, and let me just extract. So yeah, as you can see my extracting process is completed. And yeah, what you need to do is you just need to uh, that let me just go on the theme park section and show you whether it's applied now or not. So yeah, on the download section, and as you can see there are no theme for Gionee. So what you need to do is you just need to go on the recent app and file explorer and copy all this extracted file. Sorry, let me just select all this and move this file to a directory named on Amigo. So yeah, phone storage, and as you can see Amigo. So guys, in the Gionee S6s, and open the theme park, and yeah, Amigo, make sure that Amigo A is capital, and open the theme park and again make a directory of theme and just paste it over there. So guys, and after the pasting is completed, what you need to do is you just need to kill all the tasks on the recent. So let me just uh, clean this task, and yeah, after cleaning just go on the theme park option and go on the download option, and as you can see guys, new theme has been applied. So yeah, it includes the iOS theme, MIUI theme, and many more. So I think it will be helpful for you. So let me just apply this, and I have applied MIUI. So let's just see whether it's getting applied or not. Yeah, finally, as you can see, MIUI is now applied. And guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. Maybe Bishal Katel signing off. Bye bye guys, see you all on the next interesting video.